Hello there, my friends and learners. Welcome again to my channel RMG Kambul. Now I am going to discuss about one very important parameter, that is efficiency, and how to calculate the efficiency. Efficiency keeps a vital role in RMG industry because to calculate SMB efficiency is required to calculate the productivity of any particular product. Efficiency is required, and it very important things to calculate the capacity of a factory. To calculate the capacity of a factory, here also need efficiency, and with the efficiency we can calculate the CPM means cost per minute. So it's also a vital role to calculate the cost per minute of a factory, and if we know the cost per minute very smartly, we can calculate the CM of any garments. Yes, and how we can calculate the efficiency? To calculate efficiency, we need two things. That is, produced minute of the factory and available minute of the factory. And yes, to know the you to know the produced minute, we need to know the SMB as well as the productivity, average productivity and average SMB of that particular factory. And to know the available minutes, we need to know the work station. What is work station? Work station is that how many machines are there and how many helpers are there. If I consider any particular knit line, we can consider there are 32 machines and 6 helpers. It means 38 workstation. If I consider any oven line, that is 60 machines and 10 helpers. It means 70 workstation. So in any particular factory contains 10 lines or 15 lines or whatever, we can calculate easily how many workstations are there. This is we can calculate the efficiency. So please be with me. I'm going to start my today's session how to calculate efficiency, which is very important, and we need to know as a merchandiser. We need to know. So, dear friends, please be with me, and who is still not subscribed, please do subscribe. Let's get going to the session. So, dear friends, let's start today's session on efficiency. See here, yes, yeah, I'm again going to say that to calculate SMB, to calculate the CPM, capacity, productivity, efficiency is top most essential parameter, and it's really very important. And here I have discussed here how to calculate the efficiency in garments production industry. So here, efficiency, to calculate the efficiency, we need to know the produced minute as well as we need to know the available minutes, and if we make the percentage, automatically we will get the efficiency. So to make the produced minute, we need to know the workstation. See, workstation WS 32 plus 6. It means here I have considered one knit machine. What one knit line, there are 32 machines and 6 helpers, total 38 workstation. See here, considering one line with 32 machines and 6 helpers, and per day how many minutes are working, there is 10 hours or 10 working hours, and 60 minutes per hour, 60 minutes, it means 10 hours, 600 minutes are working minutes. And here if I consider here SMB, average SMB of that line 7, and average productivity of that particular line 220 pieces. The same we can calculate average productivity, average factory SMB and average factory productivity also you can consider. Here we have to make the per day output line, output per day output, and then here see here per day output 2200 pieces. How? Per hour 220 pieces, and as it is 10 hours, so we are getting 2200 pieces. And as SMB 7, if we multiply this 2200 pieces with 7, automatically we can get we can get the produced minute 15,400 minute. Now it's produced minutes of that line, particular line of that factory. Now we have to make the available minutes. Available minutes are here, the total work station here, work station how here 38. Then minutes, how many minutes working, that is 600 minutes per day. So work station and minutes per day, so it means 2200, so 22,800 available minute. So it is available minute and it is produced minute. So now if we divide produced minute by available minute and if we make percentage, easily we can get the efficiency. So for this particular line of knit line, efficiency is 67.5%. The same we can calculate the for oven also. If oven there is, we can calculate 60 machines and 10 helpers, so it would be 70. Same way we can calculate is here. See here we have considered one particular line. The same way you can multiply, that is might be 10 line, 15 line, even 20 line, 50 line of a particular factory. If one particular factory contains say 20 lines, we have to make the average SMB of that 20 line, average productivity of that 20 line, then work session. And using all, we can calculate the efficiency very easy way. So I think you have got the clear idea. I will put all this information to my Facebook page, RMG Merchandising, and also in description I will keep in description box. So dear friends, please be with me. If you have any particular question, you can ask me. I'll try to give the answer. And also be with me. I will discuss again by again a lots of with a lots of vital things that is which is very important in our RMG industry. That's all for today's session. Thanks.